Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another one of my videos. I really truly appreciate each and every one of you guys' support. In today's video, we're going to be doing some cleaning. We're also going to be sorting out some food items to take to a food pantry. We're going to be reorganizing my Tupperware cabinet, and I actually have a grocery store haul that I'm going to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Food container, and I'm gonna have a throwaway pile and I'm gonna have a keep pile, and I'm going to personally put this into my daughter's car so she can take it to the nearest food pantry. Okay. Just a few items over here that we're definitely gonna throw away. The rest of it is throwaway items. And out of all this, these are probably things that she want to keep, especially when she goes back to school. So, yep, that's it. I'm gonna put these up, you guys, and take them in her car. Cause you know, kids ain't gonna do it. She's just not gonna do it. She said, I have to do it. She's not gonna do it, you guys. So I think I've said several times that I religiously take my lunch to work, and so does my daughter. However, some kind of way, the containers and the lids do not remain in the same places. So that's why I have all these lids over here, because before I get rid of them, I want to make sure that I don't have any bottoms that needs the lids on them. So we're just going to do a short little organizing again of my actual food containers, and hopefully y'all, we can actually keep up with the lids and the bottoms, okay? right, you guys, as promised, I'm gonna do my grocery haul. I went to Walmart to get these items. So I got some celery and baby carrots. I'm trying to eat a little healthier, have some more healthier snacks. I got some cabbage, onions, cucumber. B loves is having me fall in love with cucumbers, so I'm really enjoying eating my cucumbers. I got some corn on the cob, and my daughter, she got the green giant veggie spiral zucchini. Don't know anything about that. She also wanted some turkey breast. I got some regular bacon to go in my cabbage. Sorry, you guys, I prefer regular bacon than turkey bacon to eat in my cabbage. I also bought some thin sliced honey turkey breast meat along with some cheese. I eat these two together. They are a great snack. I eat this stuff religiously during the week, you guys. I also have some bananas, apples. My daughter wanted a small thing of pineapples. I went and got some more frozen fruit for our smoothies. I got mango and some peaches. I also got some Sunny D. I don't know why I bought it. I just seen it. I was like, oh, that looks so refreshing. Now, if we're going to drink it or not, you guys, I honestly don't know. But I got some, I cannot believe it's not butter. I also purchased some Campbell's Chunky Savory Pot Roast, creamy chicken noodle, and hearty beef barley soups. I like to eat soup sometimes as a meal supplement or a snack or something, because I know, you know, it's not the healthiest, but I got soup. I know it's not soup season, but you know, it's always good to have a can of soup. I also got some nectarines. I got some buttermilk ranch, and I got 2 of the 250 count napkins. So yep, that is my haul for today, you guys.